Hey everybody, Heather from hookedonpickin.com. As many of you know, I've become a health coach for the health journey that I'm on, and I'm super excited to share this with you. I got my second box that I ordered of food, so you can see some of my favorites and the things that I decided to stick with. All right, so I'm getting ready to open my second box. I'm standing in my new warehouse. All this stuff is on sale behind me. So check out my eBay store, Poshmark store, my hookedonpickin.com website, and also I sell on Amazon.com, but obviously that's not there. It's at the warehouse. So I'm opening my second box. These are some of the things that I absolutely loved in the first box, and so I decided to reorder. I know there's going to be some things in here that I became fond of that I wish I would have stuck to and stayed with, but this was one of my favorites in the morning. It's they used to be called MetaFast and now they're called Optavia, but this calorie burn cappuccino, phenomenal. Basically, I feel like I'm drinking a cup of cappuccino coffee every morning, and so I get my cup of coffee in the morning, but it's actually a fueling, and it's got, you know, potassium and tons of vitamins, you know, vitamin A, calcium, vitamin D, all that stuff. So I've got 2 boxes of those because I love to drink them every single morning. I like my hot drinks. I love the creamy vanilla shake that tastes like birthday cake. I got the chocolate shake. That's a classic. My husband loves those also. I got the sour cream and chive smashed potatoes. I didn't have these last time, but I'm a sour cream fan, so that's why I got 2 boxes of those. And sometimes I use the fueling hacks, and I will make a grilled cheese sandwich out of the potatoes. It's awesome. I've got the roasted garlic and creamy smashed potatoes, which I had last time, and I love those. And I've got the frosted cookie dough bar. Now listen, these are all the things that I like, but you may like different things because my husband can't stand these things, but I absolutely love them. So don't take my word for it. You need to try the items yourself because you never know. I've also got, this is a French vanilla shake. I'm a French vanilla fan, so I'm going to try that out and see if I like it. I got the hearty red bean and vegetable chili. So it's getting cold. I kind of want the chili to eat. Here's a silky peanut butter and chocolate chip bar. I love those things. Had those. The cranberry honey nut and granola bar. Let me see. Frosted cinnamon spice bar. Now I know my husband likes these because he ordered a bunch of them. These are my fave. I love these things. The cheese pizza bites. They taste like Pringles pizza sticks. They're amazing. I love them. I bought 2 boxes of them. And there are 7 things in each box. So that's my second box of that. Here's the creamy double peanut butter crisp bar. I got the caramel delight crisp bar. I got the smoky barbecue crunchers. I love the crunchers. These are great for like throwing in your purse and running out the door, or throwing in your car and just keeping them in there. I got the Zester cheddar and Italian herb, and these are crunchers. They're hard, but they taste, these ones kind of taste like the Olive Garden breadsticks a little bit, with a little bit of cheesy flavor. And then I've got, this one I'm gonna try, it's new for me, the strawberry crunch bar, kind of when I'm in that fruity mood. And then the wild strawberry shake. So I got vanilla, chocolate, French vanilla, and strawberry shakes. And then, so I'm super excited about this awesome variety. So those are my favorites that I like. There are some things that I wish I would have bought again. Like I really became a fan of the vegetable soup, or vegetable and penne soup. It's like a vegetable and noodle soup. So I think I'll probably throw that on my order next time. And there's a few other things that I kind of got, wished I would have ordered in my second box, but that's okay because I love all of these things and I'm super excited to eat them this month and continue to lose the weight. I've dropped 15 pounds in 1 month. I feel great. I have lots more energy, and it's just been super easy. And I am a health coach myself because it's been so simple and easy. So if you guys sign up under me, I'm offering a $100 discount via my health coach. for the first 5 clients that sign up under me. And so far I've got 3. So if you want to be those last 2 that get the $100 discount, please contact me and let me know. And if you need some stuff that you see interesting behind me, because you know you need an awesome blinged out American flag hat, just go ahead and go onto my eBay page, Poshmark page, or my hookedonpickin.com website. And you can contact me there as well. I'll put my email down in the bottom as well. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.